you wake up with the smell of money. Can you smell it? Is my nose blocked or what? Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Dan, and in this video we'll be covering 3 crypto platforms that you can use to make some money. The first platform we'll be talking about is Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto platform in the world by volume traded, and it is very trusted and reliable. Binance offers a vast range of products to trade on, including crypto futures, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, etc. Let's cover the account creation process. You'll head to Binance.com, sign up, fill in some basic data like email, password, etc. Which basically every platform will ask from you, and you're good to go. After that, you will have to get verified, and in order to get verified, you will have to provide them with some documents. Documents will be related to your personal identification, so don't worry, it is nothing too crazy or nothing too difficult to provide. Their platform is quite challenging and not easy to use for beginners. However, there's many tutorials out there on the internet that you can find and educate yourself, and just by using the platform you will get a hang of it. Their mobile app, however, is pretty straightforward and easy to use, and it also has a light option, which is even simpler. The fees are pretty low, and there's no minimum account opening or maintenance fees. So, to sum it up, the pros of Binance is that it is very reliable and safe broker, and the cons of Binance is that it can be very challenging for new beginners. Alright, let's hop into the next one. The next one they'll be covering is FTX. FTX is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges in the world, and it has been proven to be very competitive with other exchanges and offers a great variety of products to trade on. To create an account with them, we will be heading to ftx.com. We will click on sign up, where we will have to fill up some basic data like email, password, etc. in order to create an account. Then we'll be getting a verification email, and once you confirm it, you're good to go. In order to get verified with the FTX, you'll be of course having to provide them with additional documents, but those documents should be simple and easy to provide. No maintenance fees, no minimum account balance opening. So, to sum it up, pros of FTX is that it is very new and competitive exchange that offers a variety of products to trade on, and the cons of FTX is that it is still pretty new and in its expansion phase. Third and final platform that I'll be talking about is Coinbase Pro. Coinbase is a public traded company, and its crypto platform Coinbase Pro is not really easy to use or beginner friendly. It has a vast variety of products to trade, and it's ideal for active traders. To create an account with Coinbase, we'll be heading to pro.coinbase.com, and there we'll be clicking on get started. After that, as usual, you'll fill up some basic formalities, username, password, etc. Confirm your email. Unfortunately, in this video, I could not guide you through the further process of account opening because Coinbase provides services to limited amount of countries and UAE is not on the list. But the concept is the same. You will have to submit some documents to get verified. Once you get verified, you will be able to start trading. So, to sum it up, pros of Coinbase is that it is well established and trusted company, and the cons of Coinbase is that their platform is difficult for beginners and can be hard to navigate. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short one, however, stay tuned for next one where I'll be covering financial instruments and which one you should be choosing to start your trading journey with. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.